Welcome to AI Arch Wizard. In this episode, I would like to talk about Codex and the latest update to Codex that enables control of apps similar to Claude Cowork. Codex from OpenAI is a coding agent, AI coding agent, also called a software engineering agent. It's a full autonomous system that can read, edit, run, test, and ship code. Also commit to GitHub and so on. But in this case, we are talking about ability of Codex from OpenAI to control software. So, firstly, I tried here to draw a dog with Sketchbook Pro that I did with Claude Cowork, and it was doing something, as you can see, but it failed totally. The result was totally nothing. But nonetheless, it said that a simple dog sketch is on canvas. No, it failed. I tried the same with simple app called Whiteboard, and you can see here's the picture of the dog. That at least, if you close your eyes, it's similar to the dog. So it worked for 50 seconds, and you can see they opened the app. So it's ability to control third-party apps from Codex from OpenAI. Then I tried also, I have here connection to Unix that is running in data center, and I have written the prompt. So first of all, it works in this way, that you have to select a plugin called computer use, and then you write a prompt. And I written the prompt in the session to Linux called this, show how much memory the server has, and it executed it. Maybe I can now try do something similar. So it's generally speaking, it is done to enable, so that when you are developing software, for example, that you can control the software that you are developing, but it can control any apps that are running on your computer, in this case Mac. So in the session, tab Linux commands to show name and version of Linux. Let's see if it will work. See, it's thinking. See here. Okay, so he is typing. Okay, and you can see that he has wrote the command in the Linux and executed it. So this is the ability, that new ability in Codex, where you can control apps via computer use.